Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I just want to show you guys how I installed a 12 volt to 220 volts inverter in my bucky, as I use this bucky for work. Sometimes in the field I need power, and I installed the inverter. So I've got a cable running from the positive, and a cable running from the negative of the battery in front, running underneath the dashboard, underneath the floor trimming, up to this little small place here. I got the inverter installed. This is a small inverter. It's a 800 watt inverter. So there I've got my positive and my negative connected, and this side I've ran a cable, a normal power cable, going to the back. Let me just switch this on. Okay, going there. I've run the cable through the canopy. Just open this right here, and the cable is running down there, running underneath the canopy, and going to this multi-way plug here. And then I've got a little light here that runs from the 12 volt transformer. And I can do most of the things here: soldering, drilling, everything that I need for my job I can run from here. So that's just a short video on how I installed the 800 watt inverter, 12 volt to 220 volt inverter in my bucky.